Hey guys, it's Dana Wollman from Engadget coming to you from day 0 at CES. We're looking now at Willow's second generation smart breast pump. You might remember the original from CES 2017. It was a surprise hit at the show. It won 2 Best of CES awards. Now we're looking at the second generation model, which looks quite similar to the original, but the company claims it's a lot easier for mothers to use. In particular, the flange, that's the part that makes contact with the breast. That part is now see-through, and that's useful for a woman just because it can be tough to align the device on your body and make sure it fits correctly. The see-through bit really takes out the guesswork. It just lets women know that yes, they have fit the device correctly. The other element that's different is the way the device fits together. It's always been a 2-piece device, but now just when you lock it in place, you hear this satisfying click that really lets you know that yes, the device has been put together correctly and it's ready to go. Otherwise, for those of you who are not so familiar with the original Willow, a lot of the general concept is the same here. So just to be clear, these are 2 wireless cups. They fit inside a normal nursing bra. And because they're wireless, you don't have to be tethered to a wall outlet while you're pumping. You can walk around, do your thing, take care of the other kids, and have free use of your hands. All of that is important. And of course, like the original Willow, there's an accompanying iOS/Android app that allows women to track how much milk they're producing, which is actually not always so obvious to women who are pumping. So the new Willow is available for pre-order now, but it's going to ship next month with a price of $500, and as an introductory package, it will ship with 48 additional 4-ounce bags. These bags are touted as basically being leak-proof, so you can turn them upside down, throw them in a bag, no milk is supposed to come out. The original is still going to be on sale also with a price drop. That should be priced at about $430. That's all for now. Follow the rest of our CES coverage on Engadget.com.